Are you a fan of Costco's delicious rotisserie chicken? You just picked one up on your way home, but now it's cooled down and you're wondering how to reheat it to perfection. In this video, we're going to show you the best way to reheat your entire rotisserie chicken using an air fryer toaster oven so it stays juicy and delicious, just like when you first got it from Costco. First, preheat your air fryer toaster oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature to reheat your chicken without drying it out. To ensure even reheating and crispier skin, separate the chicken into individual pieces such as legs, thighs, wings, and breast. Place the chicken pieces in the air fryer toaster oven, making sure they are not crowded. This will allow them to cook evenly. Set the timer for 15-20 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken pieces, and let it reheat. And there you have it! Your Costco rotisserie chicken is now heated to perfection, juicy, and delicious, just like when you first got it from Costco. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe for more recipes and cooking tips.